Okay, let us start the cover pages of Microsoft Word Office like this. So የዚህ ቻናል ቤተሰቦች ይህንን የመሰለ ከቨር ፔጅ ለመስራት በቀላሉ ይህን ስቴፕ በመከተል መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እስከ ፕሮግራማችን ፍጻሜ ተከታተሉ። ደን ለቻናሉ አዲስ ሲሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ናው ምን እናደርጋለን? you can insert here, or you can open new blank document first of all, or by pressing Control plus V you can open the new Word document. Then from this you can write whatever you are writing here, the headers, City of Technology, like this. And then ይሄንን እናደርጋለን ማክሲማይዝ እናደርጋለን ወይም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ፎንት ታይፑን እንቀይራለን whatever any font. Then like this, for example, then you can maximize here or you can minimize here, then change like this or like this, and then make it center, then make it maximize. Then you can write introduction computer assignment, then make center like this. First left, group member, then ID, then like this. You can write group, then ID. Then you can hit enter, make it justify, and then write one and press. Write any of names here, group member name, like for example Bebe, but the ID number is Jude 001 2 Petar 00, like this. Mamo, like this. Then you can write any more names here. Then finally you can add additional text here. Then add this one, for example, and copy this one. Let's try to copy here. There is submitted for your instructor or whatever any organization. Then the mission date. You can write any of date. Monday. You can hit enter. Like this. After this, you can insert the border of the Word document like this. Before that, you can insert here. You can insert this image or logo, your organization logo here. We got logo እናስገባለን. Paste here, and then maximize, and then minimize. You can make it like this. You see? So after this, what's left? what's left, the border of the page, or you can add this one also. How to insert this border? Then you are going to click your design. Then this is Office 13, Office 2013 ነው ይሄ design. Then going to page border here like this, and then you can click here, and then you can choose one of these like this. For example, I'm hitting this, can insert here, you see, and then insert in your line like this, you see. Then also you can insert another line, then change the color like this. Then copy this one and then paste it. Then you can insert here like this. So how to insert this line? You can add here like so also the same thing here. So ይህን የመሰለ ከቨር ፔጅ በቀላሉ መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህን የምንሰራው ወርድን ኦፊስን ተጠቅመን በቀላሉ ይሄ መስራት እንችላለን። ፕሪንት ብናደርገው ሶ ይሄን ፕሪንት ሳይዝ በዚህ ልክ ፕሪንት ይሆናል። የሚያምር የሆነ ከቨር ፔጅ ሰራን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እንዲህ አይነት ነገሮችን በቀላሉ ዲዛይን ለማድረግ ወርድ ላይ ገብታችሁ ሆም፣ ኢንሰርት፣ ዲዛይን፣ ፔጅ ላይአውት፣ ሪፈረንስ ሜኒንግ እነዚህን ሜኑ በመጠቀም ይሄንን መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምንም ሳንቸገር በቀላሉ ሰርተን ፕሪንት ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሶ ይሄንን የመሰለ መስራት ይችላል። ስለዚህ ጨርሰናል ማለት ነው።